there, thanks for stopping by to color. Today we're going to be working on this Whimsy Stamps image called Mad Skillz. Isn't she adorable? I'm pretty sure that this stamp is retired over at Whimsy Stamps. It's been in my color box forever and a day. But I found her in there and she just looked like she was having so much fun, and I decided to make a birthday card with her because she looks like she's singing happy birthday and she's totally getting into it. But if you want to get this stamp, you're going to need to head over to the store and grab the kit up so that you can get the stamp with that. And I'll put a link to the card kit and all the supplies I use down in the description box in case you would like to go do some shopping. I really appreciate you shopping with me. It really helps me out. So I'm coloring my girl here today with Copic Markers, and if you're interested in the colors that I used, in case you don't see them fast enough as they pop up, if you head over to the store blog, and there's a link to that down in the description box towards the bottom, that will have a pin card at the bottom of the post that will show a picture of the card and all the colors I used, and you can pin that on your Pinterest board and then save it for later, or you can just copy it and print it out, and then you'll have the little 4x6 card that you can save for later on for colors that I used in case you like any of those. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the coloring here, and I will chat with you again at the end. All right, so we finished doing the coloring and we're going to go ahead and put our card together here. I always make sure when I start putting my card together that I check to make sure that it's going in the direction that I want it to end up. Otherwise, I would end up putting it on there wrong and I would have an upside down card or an open sideways or whatever. So it's just easier for me to go ahead and make sure to check and then stick everything on. Otherwise, I'll mess it up. So anyway, I hope you had fun coloring with me today and putting the card kit together. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to get back to you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the little thumbs up button so that I'll know that you loved it. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell next to that so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. And if I'm doing a live class, you can come and we can hang out and chat. So anyway, I hope you had fun coloring today and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.